Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa F7 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also had to replace the membrane. This one that you see right here was leaking a lot through the other side of the machine. We replaced that, service the brew unit. We also had to replace a little adapter that it goes into the brew unit. This one basically broke. Replace that one too. Replace the gasket of the brew unit, service it, lubricate it, deep clean everything, do a descaling cycle on the machine, also a cleaning cycle, and yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot, we're gonna be testing it out. We're using our test coffee, and we're using the medium setting of the machine. There you go. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Now I am going to stop the shot manually because the customer has programmed this to give over more than 3 ounces of coffee. And as you can see, we have a nice crema on the top of the espresso, looking great. Hot water for this machine. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one. And now we're going to be testing the steamer function of this machine. Now the thermal block of the machine is to get up to temperature, but once it does, the steam is going to come out through the one, as you're seeing right here. Nice pressure coming out of the steamer one, excellent temperature, working great. So there you have it, Jura Impresa F7 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.